Recently, the Commonwealth Government and the Northern Territory Government introduced CNS to the Northern Territory. This video is briefly going to explain to families how to use CNS.
Are you worried about a family member who has been arrested by police? Call CNS. They can tell you where the person is and if they are okay. When you call the NAAJA CNS number, you will reach a voicemail message. After the beep, say your name and the best phone number to call you on. Tell us the name of the person you are calling for and where and when you think they might have been arrested. The law says police must call CNS to tell them when one of our mob has been locked up. So if you have a family member or friend who has been arrested by the police and you are worried about them, call NAAJA CNS and they can assist. NAAJA CNS helps keep our people safe in custody. Please share this video with your family and friends.